If you are a trader that is still struggling, then here are 4 things you should do that will put you ahead of 90% of all these get rich quick trader. Ready? The first one is think long term. As humans, we tend to allow short term profits to erode long term gains. This is in our normal nature to overestimate what you can achieve in the short term and underestimate what we can achieve in the long run. But we can still fix this by shifting our mindset to embracing the long-term perspective, to embracing the cringe and discomfort of giving trading time to play out. Traders who accept the fact that slow is fast and fast is slow usually have the greatest odds of success in the trading industry. Here's the catch: if you go fast at the beginning, you will most likely not backtest, journal, find a winning system, find the quick tweaks, and thereby you rush the process, thus making you to burn out and end up in square one. But if you reverse this and take the slow route, which is narrow, which only few traders find, then what will happen is that you will most likely give yourself time to backtest, journal, tweak, refine, optimize, find a winning plan, and find a winning strategy that fits you and you alone. And anything worth doing is worth doing well. So don't rush the process. Just go to the slow route, which for me, I don't even think is slow, because when you are doing the right thing, you need a bit of time to figure it out. So go to the narrow road of taking it slow and leave the broad road that many find, which is them calling it the fast route, but at the end they end up in square one. Last but not the least tip is to journal like a pro. Stay with me here. Journaling will help you to find the key tweaks, key optimization that can help to improve your trading for the better. Without journaling, you won't see your flaws, your emotions, and the things that are holding you back. So from today, start journaling like a pro, because that is where true success lies. That's where you can find patterns, repetitive patterns that happen in the market, which can give you an edge. So, and also please, as you are journaling, don't just do it as something that they force you to do, but rather do it as a must-do activity. Do it as something that is important and that is paramount for your success in trading. Because if you don't put the energy and just do journaling just like something that you were forced to do, then you won't do it with your soul and total heart. So the thing is that put more energy in journaling. But as you're putting this energy in journaling, just keep a little bit more of energy to follow Rich's advice.